Day 15. Meditating while ugly. Hi, your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here again, and welcome to day 15 of How to Meditate. In today's meditation, we meditate when we don't want to. Up until this point, I've been showing meditation under the perfect circumstances. I've been meditating in my nice, peaceful therapy office. I've had the perfect posture, and the temperature has always been at a nice and cozy 72 degrees. But life isn't always perfect and set up in a way that allows us to meditate under such cheerful circumstances. Sometimes life is chaotic, disorganized, and downright ugly. And sometimes I don't even want to meditate. So in today's meditation, we drop the formal position and allow ourselves to meditate in a sloppy, disheveled, ugly way. Let's go. Okay, so start by collapsing into whatever place around you looks inviting. I want you to understand that we can meditate anywhere. So maybe this looks like you leaning against a tree or sitting in your parked car. Or maybe you're going to be like me this session and meditate while laying on your bedroom floor next to a mound of dirty, stinky laundry while staring at your ceiling. The point is to choose a position that isn't your normal meditation spot. This practice is about not limiting ourselves to thinking that everything has to be perfect in order for us to meditate. When we're flexible, we can meditate more often and as needed. So I'll give you a second to find an unusual spot. Okay, so you can start by closing your eyes. Get comfortable and just take a few deep breaths in. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you breathe in, it's like you're stretching up your spine. And then as you breathe out, it's like you're breathing out any tension within the body. As you continue to breathe, do a body scan and notice if there's any tension within your body. Softening the cheeks, easing the worry lines in the forehead, relaxing both sets of cheeks. Soften the belly. Also, don't forget to relax the shoulders. You're really allowing yourself to sink into the body and relax. See if you can let go of any tightness about this meditation, any judgments you might have. Self-compassion starts with acceptance. So we're going to start this meditation by accepting whatever's going on with us in this moment. We're accepting all the imperfections of our situation, the sounds, the distractions, any annoyances. All of it is allowed to be here. This is equanimity. So the instruction for this part is simple. Just let yourself be a bit sprawled out, a bit imperfect, and lay here for a bit. The essence of meditation is pause, letting yourself feel what you feel. So maybe that looks like you feeling an emotion. Maybe that's allowing something that's on your mind to roam free. Whatever it is, just let yourself feel what you feel and don't try to control or judge it. Meditation is meant to be sloppy sometimes, so just let yourself be. Throughout this course, we've been training our equanimity muscle. That's what allows us to continue to do this meditation. You're not in your typical perfect environment, and that's okay. We're not going to get uptight. We're not going to end this session prematurely. Instead, you're open to any agitation or annoyance or disappointment about your expectations not aligning with your current reality. You feel all your feelings without needing to respond or to avoid them. Things aren't perfect, but that's okay. Keep going. There's nothing exotic going on here. When you give yourself the time to pause and to sit still, our mind and body know how to take care of ourselves. Keep resting in this moment of stillness and keep embracing the pause. And now, do absolutely nothing. Stop formally meditating and just relax. Before you ever formally meditated, you already knew the basics of meditation. You always have. It's the pause. It's letting yourself sit for a few minutes and rest and feel your own humanity. Over the last 15 days of this meditation course, I've taught you all of the muscle groups inherent to meditation. While they're all absolutely worth understanding, the root of meditation is this simple pause, and you can do this anywhere, at any time. Okay, feel free to open your eyes. Much love, my friend. See you tomorrow. God bless.